Alright, Tykana. We're sitting in with Tykana right now, and right now I want the people to know say she is the empress in Hallandale that unfortunately the roof collapsed while her 6 kids were inside of the home. And we have set up a GoFund. I'm wanting to tune in and help her out. Tykana, tell them what really went on with this slum down here down in
Okay, so
Hallandale.
basically I've been staying at this property for about 5 years, and rent paid on time, no Section 8, no government assistance, go to work every day, take care of my kids. I've been telling my landlord for a couple of weeks now that you can hear the termites eating through the wood, you can hear them eating.
Termites?
Yes, we have termites, black mold, all type of stuff. I called code enforcement, it's 9 violations on the place, and he's still collecting rent. On top of that, this morning, I get home from work 2:30-ish
Yeah.
in the morning, get home from work, wake up, the kids, they're sleeping, everybody's sleeping. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, you start hearing the beams start cracking. The beams start cracking. By 5:45, everybody had to get out. It literally, the roof collapsed.
Oh my God. The roof actually came down.
Collapsed.
Yeah, and we have some
completely.
pictures of the roof actually, and I just say me have them up on the screen right now, people. Now, I know that you have 6 children.
Yes.
What kind of living arrangement you have in mind right now?
Right now, I'm just basically gonna go pay for a hotel with what I can pay with. I'm digging into my savings right now because I'm a single parent, no child support, no help. I'm doing it on my own with the grace of God. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to get a room for a couple nights, and then from there, figure it out.
And I understand you launch a GoFund for, to see if you can get some assistance.
Yes, just to help with whatever way, any little that I could get will greatly be appreciated. Is to get a house, get a better vicinity, somewhere to stay. We have to find somewhere to stay. We're literally homeless right now.
And family, I want to go up on a GoFundMe, and once you type in Hallandale Mom and 6 children, roof collapse, you'll see the GoFund come up, and it's there for, tell them your full name.
Tykana Bryant.
Tykana Bryant, and all we asking is, the children them are here right now with us.
Yeah.
Fortunately, everybody is safe, and we don't really want to put them face cards, them a mind up on the internet, because how them people are stay, but we just asking, reaching out for the people that help the Empress. 6 children she have right now. So, go on the GoFund and see what we could do to help out the Empress. Yeah, I'm Rastafari Soldier here. Yeah, and we are trying our best. Yeah, Ganti. So big up on ourselves. In Tykana, we're going to see what we could do to help you
I
out.
appreciate it. Any little make a muckle.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bless up yourselves.
Thank you.
Yeah.